Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to create a custom fill in Excel. Whether you're managing data or creating spreadsheets for your business, learning this skill will help you save a ton of time. Let's get started. First, open Excel and either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. You can start from a blank sheet or a workbook with data that you want to work on. Now, let's create the custom data list you want to fill. For example, if you frequently use a specific set of text like to do, in progress, and completed, enter these into the cells in one column. You can also create custom lists with names, departments, or months, depending on what you need. Example, type to do in cell A1, in progress in cell A2, and completed in cell A3. Next, select the cells that contain your custom list. Once you've selected them, go to the top ribbon and click on File and then Options at the bottom of the left-hand menu. In the Excel options window that pops up, find Advanced on the left panel. Scroll down until you see the General section and then click Edit Custom Lists. This will open a new window where you can add, edit, or delete your custom lists. In the Custom Lists window, make sure the Import option is selected. You should see the cells you highlighted already filled in. Now, click Import. After that, click OK to confirm and close the window. Now that you've created the custom list, let's use it. Click on any empty cell and type the first item from your custom list. Then, grab the fill handle, the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, and drag it down or across. You'll see Excel automatically fill the cells using your custom list. Finally, don't forget to save your Excel file to keep your custom fill ready for future use. You can always access this list again without re-entering the data, which will save you a lot of time. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and use custom fill lists in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.